What's going on, chat, YouTube? So today it's gonna be, um, I'm still gonna stream regular with the group. I did trade a little bit last night. It's a moving day for me. I'm gonna be moving. So today, as you can see, it's my live account. Put up a green day on there. I think for the live account, I'm gonna lock out for the day. I'll take that green day just because I'm moving. I'm just gonna lock out for the day. Go over to Bullinox. Bullinox, I just added another one. Yesterday I went ahead and passed those 7. Those are still pending, but I did see that I have 10 altogether. So what I did was I bought another one for Bullinox, so that's what I'll be trading today for the session. And I started trade day yesterday, so I have some trade days. I did get 3 trade days to 880 last night. Locked those up. What I'm doing right now is I'm just basically just max allocating all of my prop firms that I have right now, and I'm gonna actually be adding a few more on. But I'm just basically getting myself prepared for August and just max allocating all the prop firms that I enjoy and getting myself ready for August so that I can start a challenge for you guys, and I'll bring you guys along with me. So I'm gonna get on with my group in a little bit. Got about 5 minutes left, but I wanted to kind of get on here and just tell my plan, show what I'm doing, and just be a little bit transparent about the process that I'm making right now. But today is a moving day. We're gonna be looking for a nice move around market open. I'm gonna try to at least get 50% of this challenge done. If I can get the whole thing done, I will, but I'm gonna try to get at least 50% of this challenge done so that I can have all 11 challenges. And I still have my master accounts. Like I was letting you guys know, all 3 of these are at, too high of a rate. We're still waiting on the payout tomorrow. I finally did get my payout from, and it was actually my biggest payout. I can actually show everyone my biggest payout from here, and as you can see, that just came through. We had our biggest payout yet, 15,000. So they actually let this come back up, and now we're just getting on with the team. Just wanted to give y'all that little update, and I like to just be transparent. That's what I'm gonna be a lot of on this channel. So just wanted to give y'all that, and I'll be back in a second when it gets to time for the team. See you in a second. Start recording. Yeah, so looking at this news high getting taken out, simple. We're not going to anticipate just because it got, ran right now that we just run straight down. So we're just going to see what this agenda is to the upside. We at all-time highs right now, so we don't want to anticipate that this has to just run back down because we just took that news high. But also, I would like to see, because it took that high, it come take out this news candle low and potentially even come all the way back down to something else. But like I said, because we've been super bullish overnight, which also is a continuation from Asia, usually it likes to do, it'll be bullish and then it'll do a continuation next session, another manipulation, then a reversal. So I'm looking for a bit of a rebalance this morning, but like I said, don't necessarily have to. So we're gonna be patient and just see what happens. They didn't allow me to activate my Bull Knoxes yet, and it's a company called Trade Day. They actually with Project X as well. These ones are 7-day pass, but after you pass them, they just like I don't know if anybody know about Take Profit Trader, but once you pass these accounts, they have everyday pay. And if you like intraday drawdown, they got accounts with no activation for $60, but they got end of day drawdown accounts for $99 just for all in. So I grabbed 3 of those last night, but I'm just trying to go into my scaling bag again so that come August I can be ready to go with a lot of different prop firms. I did lock out the live account. I put up 229. I don't know. I'm about to move today, so I just wanted to just secure whatever was possible. Not trading the fundies today. Still waiting on tomorrow to come. They gotta pay me on Wednesday, so you don't get counted for trading days when you're waiting on the payout for bull knock. So I'm just on the island. So today we just trading a eval, but I'm gonna try to do a 1 day pass. So I'm being patient, looking for that one good play that can get this pass for me. See what it's talking about, man. But big news day today. I think it's, if I'm not mistaken, I believe it's CPI. Let me look, see if we got anything else that's interesting that we can at least just have it on the agenda. Just big CPI reports. We got some FOMC speaking, but that's not until 12:45, 1 o'clock, and it's not even yellow. I mean, it's not even red folder, it's yellow. Sweeping these highs, I want to see what type of reactions that we can get at open. We still got 5 minutes left. Still seem to be reacting pretty bullish. They said we had all-time highs. We don't got much to work off of. We just know a level that it tick is for news. So we just swept these news highs. I'm just looking like after we swept that, what could we come back down into? It don't necessarily don't seem like it has to, do too much. We could rebalance down, take these lows, but that's it. Just being patient for it. These all-time high days be, I won't even say typically hard to trade, but a lot of people make them harder than they need to be. Like, it's kind of like a lot of people want to go against the trends of what's going on, but it's like a more day where you want to be patient. Like, a lot of people want to see this candle, like, for some reason they want to see this go down, but the market could be in a particular space where it want to just keep rising. So, like, ideally, you'll just want to anticipate this dumping off at open, but why though? We went up 500 points overnight, 300, 400 points overnight. So it's like, if anything, you want to see it rebalance a little bit, but this also could just be something within the economy and the news that's just pushing this market up further and further. So we're just gonna pay attention to it. If it give us this pullback to come filling this news, it does, but I'm not putting on my breadsticks and saying that it will. Still got a few things to pack though, so we're gonna just be looking for one play today, and then I'm jump off so that I can go grab you all. We got 3 minutes. As you can see, I just got on my buy side and sell side liquidity. I'm just literally just going off the 8:30 news candle on the 1 minute chart, which is also considered like around those all-time highs. So I am looking at this little bit of reversal, but I want to see one, this change in state of delivery, and also I want to see a fair value gap giving me some type of momentum to the downside, and it being respected before I even look to jump in anything going bearish. I want to see a displacement, change the state of delivery, market come back up into it, respect it, and then a push down. I'm not looking for that first initial push to get burnt right here. This is considered still a pullback until we change the state of delivery, come back, respect it. It's nothing to me right now. It's not enough. Like this right here will make you this will make you overanalyze and want to just be like, okay, yeah, this is about to dump, but it could be also a trap. So this is where we be patient at. This is nothing more than this right here and this right here where it kept going. This right here also. So right now this is invalid. This is not something that you want to get into. It literally did this one time, 2 times, 3 times, and if you can see, it's still trending up. So until we get this change in state of delivery where this breaks through this green up, like you see how we had this up, this didn't come change this state of delivery, so it kept going up, didn't change the state, kept going up, didn't change the state. So if it changes this state, gives us a fair value gap, pushes up, and keeps going down, that's what I'm looking for. But right now, it's still invalid, it still can get burnt, it's still not saying bearish. So let's see what happens in this 20 seconds. And then again, we didn't close below it, we got 14 seconds left, and once this dumps down right here, we're still in the bearish state, bullish state. But a lot of people will see these 4 red candles and be like, okay, we looking bullish. Okay, here go market open. And again, like I said, those people that jump in those cells is pretty much, scared, not knowing what's about to happen. And now they burnt. Be patient, being patient, letting the market just do what it do. Like I said, it's at all-time highs right now, so it's a lot that could possibly happen. That failure right there gave me a little bit of an eye-opener, like where we could be feeling a little bit exhausted, but I wanted to see that body candle closure up above it, but let's give it a little bit of time. And patient, not trying to say, okay, that exhaustion right there gave us that clear indication that we want to go down. I'm gonna come in 5 micros to the downside. Still a little bit ambitious, but I'm gonna come in 5 micros, not risking too much. I do want to see this candle closure right here, which we semi got, but it's still a little bit ambitious for me to do that so soon. But that's why I just came in 5. I am looking to pass this today, so I wanted to see it close a little bit lower than that. Technically, we didn't close under it. Looking to pass this right here. Like I said, I want to just take out this news. That rejection right there allowed me to come in a little bit early. It's still an ambitious play, still not knowing what's going to happen, but a market that's pushing up like that, when I got this exhaustion wick, I just went for it small, and then once I seen that closure below it, it's that change state of delivery. I do still want to see some displacement that give me a little bit more positivity in this trade, but for now we looking good. We coming into this gap here. I want to see this kind of give me some speed below it, but Let's go. I do want to see this push down. I do got this trailing on. I got this trailing on, so I do gotta be mindful of that with these bull notches. I got this trailing drawdown, but so far so good. I do want to see this, get this closure lower. Beautiful chat, beautiful chat. Let's see this just push down and give us something, man. I don't really see why this should be something that's too hard to do for us. We're not looking for much. We're just looking literally to get down to that low of the candle. We're not gonna ask for too much more. Easy, easy, easy. 1, 2, 3. And at that point, I look to wanna there we go, come down. At this point, I would take off 80%. We did swing, take this little swing low right here. I'm only on the eval, so I'm gonna let her run a little bit more, but I would look to take off 80% of your position. Let it run the TP, man. Come on now. I gotta be careful with this trailing drawdown. Coming up a little bit too much for me. It's disgusting. Let's go. Hold it down. I want to see this dumping go take out these lows before it continue going up. I want to see this sell side get taken. Come on now. And now that we had that push through, I'm gonna be putting my stop loss right here at the 50% of this gap. I want to see this push straight down. don't want this to come back up and get me. I'll put it at. I didn't want that, man. I'm gonna jump back. I'm gonna jump back in this play. I feel like it'd be like chasing your stops. So I jump back in. Like I said, I'm looking to pass this in one day. I thought I had max allocation, but I had 10. I just need one more. So just following up what I did yesterday. Bang! Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. And just like that, we did it again, baby. I'm ready to get there. Get ready for my move. Let's go, chat.